Hey, Mr. G here, and today we're going to be playing the A minor chord. A minor chord. And don't forget to subscribe and like the video, okay? So the A minor chord is made up of A being the first, C being the third, and E being the fifth. That's your A minor. Now, this is what it looks like, and this is what it sounds like. Now, the sixth string we won't play, but you could insert it sometimes as an E, since E, an open E, belongs to an A minor chord, A, C, E, right? So once in a while it's fun to play it. So you could once in a while throw that in. But usually we'll start at the root note. The root note is A. Your fifth string, we're going to play open. That's your A note. And then on your fourth string, second fret, we'll use our middle finger and play the E note. Then on the third string, second fret, we'll use our ring finger and play the A note. And then on the second string, first fret, we'll use our index finger and play the C note. And we'll leave the first string open for the E. Put them all together. So you want to practice strumming, but also practice playing those notes individually so they come across real clean. And again, that's your A minor open chord. Now, don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I hope you enjoyed it.